Over the past few months, we've done several dozen multiplex deals in Toronto. And so we pulled the numbers to show you what a typical Toronto investment looks like right now. Here's what we're seeing across the board. Most investors are buying houses under $1 million, and that price point works really well because it's the most affordable path in. It's low enough to qualify for a mortgage easily and still leaves enough capital for closing costs and renovations. And the usual strategy is to convert a single family home into 2 or 3 separate rental units. And what this does is it does give you a big boost in rental income and creates the ability to refinance and pull out a chunk of the renovation money afterwards too. Now, some investors also add a garden suite or a laneway suite in the backyard, and while this might not increase your property value by more than what you put in, what it does is it would give you extra rent from that unit. And what this does is 2 things. Number 1, it would strengthen your rents and cash flow. And number 2, it will definitely help you qualify for a bigger refinance later based on income. Now, here's a real deal breakdown. As of August of 2025, and one of our clients recently picked up a 2-story semi-detached home in Toronto for around $850,000. It is in a gentrifying neighborhood near existing subway and future transit, the LRT, an area that's already seen stronger price growth than the average in Toronto in recent years, but we expect that there would be more to come. The layout here is ideal for a triplex conversion. You get 2 2-bedroom units upstairs and main floor, and then in the basement you can also get a 2-bed as well. On top of that, this lot does have space for a future 3-bedroom, 2-story garden suite if you want to. And so the renovation budget for converting the main house into 3 units will come in at around $200,000. And then from here on, the investor would have 2 ways to move forward. Option number 1 is to refinance the main house after the conversion. So what you do is you would finish the main house, convert into 3 units first, lease them out. The total rents here would be around $7,000 a month. And the investor could refinance and recover most, if not all, of their $200K renovation budget and possibly some extra capital that they put in for the down payment as well. They can then use this money to fund the garden suite without needing another huge chunk of extra cash up front. This way would be a longer path, and you would definitely have tighter cash flow until all 4 units are up and running, but it would be easier on capital and it does spread out the workload. Once this is all said and done, the garden suite will add an extra around $3,200 a month with that 3-bedroom, 2-story unit, and the property will become a very strong cash flowing asset, either way, whether you refinance or not afterwards. Now, option number 2 is to refinance after the full project is done. So this method would require more capital upfront because you are converting the 3 units and building the ADU all at once. And then afterwards, you do a single refinance. This option, though, would have fewer steps, less waiting, and likely lower refinancing costs too. So this strategy would be great for investors who want to go all in and get to the finish line faster and have the upfront capital to do it. Now, the upside starts with buying right, and this was a distressed property bought below market, but the real value comes in from adding density, creating strong rental income from multiple units, and using smart refinancing to recycle capital. Right now, supply is still relatively light in the middle of summer, and a lot of sellers are holding off until fall. That means that we could actually see more opportunities pop up over the next few weeks as listings pick up into fall. But here's the truth. Not every single house makes a good multiplex conversion in Toronto. You need the right layout, zoning, location, and a renovation plan that actually supports a strong refinance. We've done hundreds of deals like this in the Toronto market since prices corrected in 2022, and we know exactly what to look for. So if you are serious about investing in Toronto and you want help spotting high potential deals, crunching the numbers, and making the whole process smoother, just book a call with our team. We're a full-service real estate sales brokerage that specializes in Toronto multiplexes. We'll help you find the right deals, crunch the numbers, buy smart, coach you through renovations, lock and sell tenants, and even offer property management too. If you are ready to get started, just head over to this link here and let's chat.